Something I forgot to say in the previous video, while lights are flickering, probably the most important case you can encounter is that the face plate inside the light bulb is not touching the bottom of the bulb. And there is a simple solution for that. So here I have the most ordinary lamp in front of me, and the only thing that can go wrong is in this area. I will start, like in previous video about the flickering lights, by tightening the screws. And after that I will try to stick my finger inside it. But first, be sure you turn off your circuit breakers and your light switch. Just everything what can hurt you in the process. So here is the small iron plate I am talking about, and I will try to pull it upwards with my finger, and as a result it will help the tired spring, which job was to push it up against the light bulb bottom and making a contact. If this doesn't help either, it's time to change the lamp. And that's about it. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you around.